Bafethu mshone grand ithemba ukuthi la ngabe liniphathe kahle kuzamekile namhlanje fakuzamekanga kusasa kuselinye ithuba yabo sasozama sizame until sizithole lokho esikufunayo because the plan is not to give up, you understand, until we get what we think we deserve, you understand. And then nakhona it's not like sizostop yangithola sazoqhubeka futhi sizame, just that nje after ukusebenza kanzima you need to reward yourself, you need to celebrate, you understand. Today I just want us to talk about manifesting, how to manifest anything empilweni yenzeke, you understand. And remember, when you talk about manifesting, we are not talking about magic, yabo asikhulumi ngomlimo la, you understand. So sazomela usebenze ukuze ukuthole lokho okufunayo, you understand. So how does manifesting works? Firstly, remember ukuthi when you are manifesting usuke lapho usho izinto ozifunayo, things that you think you deserve, you understand, izinto okholwayo ukuthi uzosithola, you understand. Awuphuphi asifisi la, we speak life, you understand. I need a car. Why I need a car? Because I deserve to have a car. I need a beautiful home. Why do you need a beautiful home? Because you deserve it. So whatever you manifest, you only manifest things that you believe you deserve, you understand. So start again. So first, before you manifest, you need to understand ukuthi everything ukuze yenzakale emhlabeni, ukuze iphile, ukuze uyibone, it starts within, you understand. So qala kanjani? Qala enhliziyweni. Inhliziyo transporter whatever eyifilayo to your mind. Emqondweni wakho kwakhe isithombe, then lesithombe esakhekayo, your mind influences your body, then it is where la khona you take action, you understand. Let me make a typical example. When you see a girl, uqala enhlizweni usho ukuthi yazi ngiyamfila lo girl lo, then ukwenzakaleni isithombeni kwakheka isithombe ukuthi you know what, ngathi sengiyazibona sengijula naye. Then after lapho sekwenzakalani, then you approach a girl, you understand. And you don't approach lowo mntana lowo with the mindset ukuthi you know what, ithi ngithatha ama-chance nje ngizohluleka, because already you have pictured yourself nalo muntu, you have pictured everything seniyenza nobabili. Then now you believe ukuthi whatever oyoyenza, you believe ukuthi izokwenzeka, you understand. So if you manifest something, let me say you want a car. If you manifest the car, you first feel you need to first have that feeling yokuba nemoto. Then after you picture yourself driving that car, you understand. And then after you need to work towards having that car now. Kanjani? You need to align yourself with izinto ezizokwenza ukuthi uthole imoto. If you are working, you will start to save money. But now you are not just saving. You are saving because you know you will have that car. You will do whatever it takes for you to get a car. You will start to work towards your credit score and everything. So what I'm trying to say is that whenever you manifest, you need to believe we are in a physical realm. So action will be required for whatever you manifest was a. You understand? You cannot manifest without acting. It's like you praying to God, but you don't wake up, it doesn't work like that. So for as long as you are still alive in this universe, which means you are in a physical realm, so you need to wake up, you need to stand and go work towards your dreams. You understand? And another thing you need to remember, you need to always speak life to your life. Not even a single day, must always tell yourself ukuthi you can. You must always tell yourself ukuthi you deserve good. You must always tell yourself ukuthi no matter how hard it is, you will always try. You must always put yourself in a position of a winner. You must always put yourself in a position of being a star for you to succeed in this life. Remember ukuthi umhlaba uyaphila. The universe, the earth that we are living in is alive, and it can listen. It can listen to your emotions. It can listen to your mind. It can listen to, I don't know how to put it, but what I'm trying to say is that whatever you say, whatever you speak, whatever you do, always remember what the universe is watching and listening. So that is why it is important for you to always speak life. For you to vibrate high, for you to be positive and be confident all the time, you need to speak life into your life. You must always tell yourself, Uguti, you are beautiful. God created you differently. God created you differently because we're not unique in your own way. That does not make you ugly. Just you must always speak positive ngempilo yakho. Then lonto leyo it builds confidence. It makes you vibrate high. Then from there you'll be unstoppable. You will never even a single day doubt yourself. You will always be step ahead. You understand? Angeke uzusithole uphupha something then ungayenzi, because you know what you deserve it and you know what you can. If it's hard, you will learn. If you fail, it doesn't mean that it's over. It means ukuthi khona isifundo sifundile. Then there are other ways usungenza kangcono ngakho.